Greetings. Today we are going to illustrate how to calibrate the Alpha Omega Instrument Series 1300 Oxygen Deficiency Monitor. The Series 1300 requires very little routine maintenance. However, like any monitor used to help protect personnel, it's a good idea to occasionally check the instrument's calibration. First, let's prepare the monitor. Be sure the Series 1300 has been securely mounted in a fixed vertical position with power off for approximately 15 minutes. Then remove these 6 screws from the front cover and set the cover off to the side. Although the monitor can be calibrated on fresh ambient air, today we are going to use a cylinder of certified and filtered compressed air with an oxygen value of 20.9%. Plant air, instrument air, or air from any type of in-house compressor should never be used as a calibration gas. Preferably, the air should be certified by a gas manufacturer. Next, we will remove the sensor retaining nut from the bottom of the monitor and replace it with a calibration fixture. The calibration fixture may be purchased directly from Alpha Omega Instruments, individually, or as part of the company's Zero Air Cal calibration kit, which includes the calibration fixture, 5 feet of tubing, and a cylinder of certified compressed filtered air. Now, please unscrew the sensor retaining nut and replace it with the calibration fixture. Set the sensor retaining nut off to the side for reinstallation later. The calibration fixture has both gas inlet and outlet ports to facilitate sensor aspiration. Connect one end of the tubing to one of the gas ports. The port used to connect the tubing will serve as the inlet port and the other the outlet port. When power is applied, the monitor should read 20.9% oxygen on fresh ambient air. The monitor will take a moment to initialize. But as you can see, it's actually reading 20.4% and in all likelihood should be calibrated. We've already connected the tube from the calibration fixture's inlet port to the cylinder of certified compressed air. Open the cylinder valve to allow the certified compressed air to flow through the tube and aspirate the sensor. The cylinder's pressure regulator delivers a preset flow rate of approximately 1/2 liter per minute, which is ideal for this requirement. As the sensor responds to the certified compressed air sample, the instrument's display shows a reading of 20.4%, which verifies the need for calibration as the calibration gas contains 20.9% oxygen. Caution: if the monitor reads 20.9% on calibration gas, it may be an indication that the oxygen concentration in the room is at an abnormally low level, and this should be immediately reported to the facility's safety supervisor before any adjustments to the monitor is made. At this point, the monitor and calibration equipment are set up for calibration. The Series 1300 Oxygen Deficiency Monitor supports up to 3 sensors, a local and 2 remote sensors. The monitor we are calibrating has a local sensor. The display on the monitor has 2 display modes. One mode shows large numbers, as you can see here. In this mode, it will scroll through each of the other installed sensors. The other mode shows all of the connected sensors in smaller numbers on one screen. You can switch display modes by pressing the up or down arrow buttons. The monitor we are calibrating has a local sensor, so it only shows one oxygen value. To avoid unnecessary scrolling through any open submenus during the quick and easy calibration, press the Escape button twice. Then press the Enter button. Now press the left arrow button 3 times to close all open submenus. Now we are ready to begin the calibration sequence. To begin the quick and easy calibration procedure, using either the up or down arrow button, navigate to the Calibrate submenu. Press the Enter button to open the Calibrate submenu. Press the down arrow button to navigate to the sensor calibrated, either local, remote 1, or remote 2. In our case, there is a local sensor. Press the Enter button. Then press the up or down arrow buttons to set the calibration gas value. In this case, set the value to 20.9%. Then press the Enter button twice to complete the calibration for this sensor. You may repeat the calibration process for any other oxygen sensors needing calibration. Press the Escape button to return to the monitor's main screen. We only have the one local sensor, so our calibration is complete. Turn off the cylinder of certified compressed air and remove the tubing from the calibration fixture. Unplug the monitor and remove the calibration fixture. Replace the sensor retaining nut. Now secure the monitor's cover with all 6 screws and you can resume normal operation. We hope you found this video helpful and we thank you for using the Series 1300 Oxygen Deficiency Monitor.